Here's the easiest way to get rid of coffee stains on a coffee pot. All I'm going to be using to do this is Polident denture cleaners, actually. I picked up the 60-pack up of Amazon for really cheap. There'll be a link in the description below. First thing you want to do is fill up your coffee pot with hot water. All right. Now that it's filled, I'm going to take one Polident denture cleaning tablet and I'm going to drop it in. Now I'm going to wait for 3 to 5 minutes to let it take effect. After I'm done with that, I'm just going to dump it out. I want to rinse it out with clean water a few times and I'll be all set. I'll show you the results here in a second. Now that our 5 minutes is up, we'll pour out the cleaner. And then with a paper towel, you can rub it along the inside and the coffee stains will come right out. That's it. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.